On the island of Catanduanes, where the sun and sea play endless games, the happy island takes his count to show the world this paradise land. Capture smiles with coconut in hand, dancing souls on the golden sand, surf the waves with his trusty board, share a culture in a vlog adored. Hey now, watch him go, the happy islanders got that flow. Tune in, catch the vibe, feel the warmth of island pride. From village feasts to grand parades, festivals burst in a colorful cascade. Hear the songs, feel the beat, island joy on every street. Taste the flavors that they cook, fish and fruit from the island brook. Every meal a story told, in the heart of the island's fold. Travel with him on winding trails, through the forests, through the nestled dales. Every trip a new delight, as he shares his island life. Hey now, watch him go, the happy islanders got that flow. Tune in, catch the vibe, feel the warmth of island pride. Smiles with coconut in hand, dancing souls on the golden sand, surf the waves with his trusty board, sharing culture in a vlog adored. You capture smiles with coconut in hand, dancing souls on the golden sand, capture smiles on the golden sand, sharing culture in a vlog adored. Hey now, watch him go, the happy islanders got that flow. Tune in, catch the vibe, feel the warmth of island pride. From village feasts to grand parades, festivals burst in a colorful cascade. Hear the songs, feel the beat, island joy on every street. Taste the flavors that they cook, fish and fruit from the island brook.